BTC reclaims $91,000, Ether crosses $3,000. Bitcoin Treasury firm DTC adds 100 BTC during market dip, shares jump 22%. Grayscale moves to list first US Zcash ETF after 1,000% rally. Bitwise debuts Dogecoin ETF on NYSE Arca. SpaceX shifts $105 million in Bitcoin, now holds 6,095 BTC. Hello and welcome to $3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin Treasury firm DTC has added 100 BTC to its holdings during the recent market pullback, taking its total to 1,183 BTC. The firm said it views the dip as a strong long-term opportunity, unlike larger sector players that buy at fixed intervals. DTC now holds Bitcoin at an average cost of $106,952 per BTC. Management highlighted that Bitcoin yield improved in the second half of the year, rising to 122%. CEO Normu Chu said DTC operates with discipline and long-term conviction. Following the update, DTC shares surged 22% to $3.465. Grayscale has filed to launch the first US ETF tracking Zcash after the privacy coin surged more than 1,000% this year. The asset manager submitted an S3 registration to the SEC to convert its existing Zcash trust into a spot ETF, mirroring its earlier Bitcoin trust conversion. Zcash has gained nearly 40% this month and now surpasses Monero in market capitalization. Increased use of shielded transactions and rising investor interest have pushed it into the mainstream. If approved, this would become the first regulated Zcash ETF in the US. Bitwise Asset Management has launched its Dogecoin ETF, trading under the ticker BWOW on NYSE Arca. Approved after an SEC delay, the ETF gives investors exposure to Dogecoin without holding the token directly. Coinbase custody will secure the assets, Bitwise said. BWOW responds to strong community demand for a regulated Dogecoin investment option. The ETF charges a 0.34% fee waived for the first month on up to $500 million. Dogecoin, trading at $0.15 with a $23 billion market cap, remains one of the largest altcoins. SpaceX moved more than $105 million worth of Bitcoin to new wallets, continuing its quiet restructuring of digital reserves. The aerospace firm transferred 1,163 BTC across two fresh addresses, marking its first major activity since October. The company now holds 6,095 BTC, valued at about $556 million. Analysts suggest the transfers could reflect updates to security protocols or internal custody changes. SpaceX has periodically reorganized its wallets amid past market turbulence and continues to manage its holdings without adding new BTC since 2022. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Keep watching $3 TV.